Hi lovelies, you are all warmly welcome back once again to my channel. Here is Phoebe's Kitchen and I do believe you are all doing great. Today I want to share with you how I oven smoked this delicious tuna and I hope you'll be inspired. So stay tuned as always to the end and let's do this. Without further ado lovelies, let's begin. In the sink, I'm putting in all my tuna from the fishmongers. Yes, I'm going to just wash them nicely and thoroughly under running water, making sure all the funny smell is gone and they are finally smelling good. Okay, lovelies, if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here, so please subscribe to join this amazing family. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Okay, lovelies, please don't forget to like and share, comment on this video, and let me know your thoughts about the whole recipe. And your girl, as always, will appreciate it. After the first wash, they are beginning to smell good already. We are almost getting there. So, lovelies, now I'm going ahead to add lime juice, which will help with the thorough cleansing. Yes, I want this tuna to smell good, so I'm doing all I can to achieve that. Okay, I'm using just 2 of the lime. You can use more, okay, and it's fine. Next, lovelies, I'm adding white vinegar, which will also help with the process. And there we go. Next, I'm adding salt. Okay, so I'm going to add water and I'll let the water be above the fish and I'll let the fish stay in there for about 20 minutes to help with the proper cleansing. Yeah, we are back and it's now time to rinse the fish, okay, properly until the water runs clear. Yeah, and then we go ahead with the next step. After rinsing them for more than 3 times, they are already smelling amazing and I've transferred all of them into a bowl. So next, lovelies, let's add our seasonings and I've got my Badia Complete seasonings and I love the flavor. Okay, so next I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning and I love the flavor. Next I'm adding my liquid smoke for that smoky effect. Okay, lovelies, this is a simple yet amazing recipe for your oven smoked fishes, beef or chicken. You love the recipe. So I'm going to make sure all parts of the fish is covered or is coated with the seasonings, hence rubbing it in properly. Okay, so we are here on the second bowl and I'm repeating myself with the same process, making sure all parts of the fish is coated well with the seasonings. So lovely. Please, lovelies, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up and don't forget to also comment and share for others to see the amazing things I'm doing here on the channel. And I'm so sure they will also be inspired to join this amazing family because we are doing a lot on this channel that others need to learn 1 or 2 things from here. Okay, so next allow them to marinate for about 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, I'm greasing my rack with olive oil and you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just add my fish just like so. This smells so good already. Well marinated. Next, apply some of the oil on all the sides of the fish like I'm doing. Applying the oil on both the rack and on the fish will help prevent them from sticking to each other. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll turn the fish over and again I'll apply to all the other sides of the fish. I hope it's clear. And applying the oil on the fish will also create the glossy effect on the fish and the fish will look nice, just like you are seeing here. And when they are oven smoked really well, they will come out looking so nice and not too dry and wrinkled, yeah? With the skin not ripping or tearing apart or even breaking apart, okay? So lovelies, right now my oven is preheating, so I'll just take them right away and I'll bake them and we shall be back very soon, okay? Few minutes later we are back. Look at that. My house smells so heavenly. Now I'm turning them over and I'll go ahead and bake the other side of the fish. Ooh, this is beautiful. And I hope you are enjoying the video. So please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Lovelies, you need to be here. So now in the oven they go. We are back few minutes later and ta-da! Finally, our oven baked pieces of tuna are ready and this smells amazing. Lovely, check them out. The color is beautiful, golden brown. They are not burnt. They smell amazing. They are not too dry. They are just so perfect, I must say. So now let's check them out. Beautiful. They are glossy. Because of that, they are easily to pick up from the rack without sticking to it. Ooh, check the inside. Moist and not too dry. This is so perfect, lovely. For more of my videos, lovelies, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah, kiss. Bye, y'all.